Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I made my own monster. It's not based on anything. If you guys want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is glue on this forehead. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna use spirit gum to do this. I'm not gonna talk to you guys a ton during this tutorial just because it is so much and it's probably gonna take me a very long time to finish this look. I don't know exactly what I'm doing starting out, so you guys should know that. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be evil, disgusting, scary, horrible. I ordered all of this kind of SFX, like the prosthetics and stuff, from the Mostly Dead website. I am gonna recommend them right now. I'm liking their products, and they're not super like crazy expensive, which a lot of SFX is. So yeah, shout out to mostlydead.com. Peep them if you're looking for some scary Halloween stuff. They have a lot of prosthetics. They have full masks and obviously pieces and stuff. So I'm gonna put this spirit gum on the mask, and I read that you're supposed to do it on the mask and on your own skin. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna keep it off my brows. Spirit gum is really hard to get off. It's actually a little bit scary to use. So I'm just gonna kind of put it on the center of my forehead, where I don't mind if it sticks. I'm gonna put it on the mask itself. And it says you're supposed to work from the inside out, and like, so I'm about to put this on my head and then finish gluing it as it's on there. That's what they say to do. I've actually never done that, so I'm going to give it a shot. Try it out, shall we? Okay, so I feel like spirit gum takes a while to dry, so it's odd that they do this, but whatever. They're the professionals, so. I haven't taken off my own face makeup yet because I don't know exactly what I'm doing for this look, so. Alright, and I do remember the reason they said to glue it on as you go is so that it's in the right spot on your face and it doesn't like glue on too soon on the wrong spot, because that would suck. It's really hard to get off. I don't know if this prosthetic will be reusable once I do this whole spirit glue thing. And I really hope that I did not just get that spirit glue on my eyebrow. One can only hope. Okay guys, so I've glued the angry demon forehead to mine. Looks the same, I know, not much different besides the color. Just kidding. I cannot get this part. I don't want to get my hair, so I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm probably gonna put a wig on eventually here, so it's good enough. Next I'm gonna glue on this demon. No, actually I'm not gonna do the demon nose yet. Okay, next I'm gonna take some fake skin and put it along my cheeks because I want to have kind of higher cheekbones because it's gonna look real evil, right? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm not exactly sure how to do this because I haven't exactly done this, so I'm not gonna talk to you guys about it. Right? Okay, so I've got to try to build up these cheekbones in a very pretty way. Just kidding. A very demonic, disgusting way. This is weird to work with. It's so like wet and like waxy. I'm wondering if it's gonna like dry on harder. As of now, I'm not enjoying this. any idea what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna have to put latex over it to make it look like it's really some demon skin. I think I should add to my chin too. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna glue on this demon nose. Don't get spirit glue fumes in your eyes. That shit hurt. It really hurts. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off the camera while I complete this. My friends are here now. On liquid latex. And here's the finished look. So fucking pretty. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. To see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you. Hello, puppet. Welcome back to my channel. Featuring Willow. I like it when you're close to me. Oh shit, I just got spirit glue in my cut. I'm laughing, but it's not funny, it hurts. Oh, what's going on? Hello?